First lesson from French Conversation Grammar by Dr. Emile Otto. Read for the LibriVox Language Learning Collection, Volume 1. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Read by Nadine Eckert-Boulet. Etymology, parts of speech. There are in French 10 sorts of words called parts of speech, namely 1. Article, l'article. 2. Substantive or noun, le substantif. 3. Determinative adjective, l'adjectif déterminatif. 4. Qualifying adjective, l'adjectif qualificatif. 5. Pronoun, le pronom. 6. Verb, le verbe. 7. Adverb, l'adverbe. 8. Preposition, la préposition. 9. Conjunction, la conjonction. 10. Interjection, l'interjection. The first 6 are variable, the 4 others are invariable. First lesson of the article. In the French language there are only 2 genders, the masculine and feminine. This distinction applies also to inanimate objects, which are either masculine or feminine. 1. To indicate this distinction of gender, the definite article is prefixed to substantives and has a peculiar form for each gender: le before a masculine, la before a feminine substantive. Les is the plural for both genders. Examples: masculine, le roi, the king, le père, the father. Feminine, la reine, the queen, la mère, the mother. 2. The articles le and la, in the singular, lose their vowels and take the apostrophe, l'apostrophe, before a noun beginning with a vowel, or h mute, so as to form but one word. Example: masculine, l'ami, the friend, l'homme, the man. Feminine, l'ami, the female friend, l'histoire, the history. 3. Besides this definite article, le, la, l'apostrophe, les, there is also an indefinite article for the singular, answering to the English a or un for the masculine, une for the feminine. Example: masculine, un roi, a king, un père, a father, un ami, a friend. Feminine, une reine, a queen, une mère, a mother, une amie, a female friend. For the declension of the article, see the following lesson. Words: le livre, the book, le pain, the bread, le cheval, the horse, le chien, the dog, l'oncle, the uncle, l'enfant, the child, l'or, the gold, un jardin, a garden, un chapeau, a hat, bonnet, la rose, the rose, la fleur, the flower, la plume, the pen, feather, la tante, the ant, une poire, a pear, une pomme, an apple, et, and. Singular: j'ai, I have. Tu as, thou hast. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Ai-je? Note: observe this hyphen by which the verb and pronoun are joined in interrogations. End of note. Have I? As-tu? Hast thou? A-t-il? Has he? A-t-elle? Has she? Plural: nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, elles ont. They have. Avons-nous? Have we? Avez-vous? Have you? Ont-ils? Ont-elles? Have they? L'enfant a-t-il? Note: when in a question, not beginning with an interrogative pronoun or adverb, the substantive is expressed it must begin the sentence, and the pronoun still be put after the verb. End of note. Has the child? La mère a-t-elle? Has the mother? Reading exercise 1. J'ai le livre. Tu as un livre. J'ai la rose. As-tu la rose? Il a le cheval. Elle a le pain. Le père a un cheval. La mère a un jardin. L'enfant a une poire. Nous avons un chien. Avez-vous un chapeau? Ils ont un oncle et une tante. Elles ont une tante. L'enfant a-t-il une plume? La mère a-t-elle la fleur? Le roi a-t-il un cheval? Il a le cheval. Les amis, plural, ont les livres. Les enfants ont les plumes. Thème 2. I have the horse. I have a friend. Thou hast the book. He has a dog. She has the bonnet. The father has a garden. The mother has the rose. The king has the gold. The uncle has a friend. We have the bread. You have a pear. They, masculine, have an apple. They, feminine, have a flower. Has the friend a horse? The friend has a horse and a dog. Conversation. Ai-je la rose? Vous avez la rose. As-tu le pain? Oui, yes, j'ai le pain. A-t-elle la fleur? Elle a la fleur. L'enfant a-t-il le livre? Il a le livre. Avez-vous un cheval? Oui, nous avons un cheval et un chien. L'enfant a-t-il une poire? L'enfant a une poire et une pomme. End of first lesson from French Conversation Grammar by Dr. Emile Otto.